A,
แอ
A, O, U,
Tha. Ja.
ชา
Sa,
Ba. Da. Ha. La. Ma. Na.
Ra,
Wa. Ya.
Sa.
In Navajo, there is a phoneme that sounds like this. Okay? It isn't part of English. And it adds the negative. So if you're saying that the baby is crying and the verb is yada, and you say yadash, then that means, oh, damn, the baby is crying. And I always thought how wonderful it would be if we used de like that in English. And if you say the woman was joyful, that's lolad with the natwa, and that means that she felt internally this joy inside her. Okay, but I hear a sound is lolad with and that means literally I hear a sound with my ears.